Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What's going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I just wanted to go over a brand new sample and MIDI kit that we released. It is called the AT The Wave. It is a Rod Wave inspired melody and MIDI pack. So what the pack has is 20 different melody compositions. It includes the stems of each composition as well as the MIDI. So for example, the first one in there is called Bottom Feeders. It is 155 beats per minute, F minor, and in there we got different instruments and melodies, and then we got the MIDI. So if I were to play it, let's say you don't like the piano or how the effects were on the piano, so we would go to Insert, Omni. Give it a second. I should probably have Omni pulled up beforehand. I'm just gonna, I like Omni. You could use whatever your piano go-to is. So, right. Give it a second. Now, it's at 155, so if you want to hear. So, yeah, you guys get all this for each individual melody composition. So, this one. So if I were to grab it. There's a lot of fire melodies in here, so I would just go through and check it out. And if you guys want to get this sample and MIDI kit, I'll put the link down in the description down below. I'll do a beat cook-up this week with this sample kit, and then I also have another special for you guys coming out this week. So if you want Rod Wave samples and MIDIs, check the link down in the description down below.